You've been told to cold call, send cold emails, DM strangers, follow up 3, 4, 5 times, but you're still not getting consistent clients. Here's what nobody tells you. Cold outreach works, but when you're brand new, messaging complete strangers who have never heard of you before is one of the hardest ways to get clients because you're trying to build trust and close a sale at the exact same time. That's why it feels hard and feels like nothing's working. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact step-by-step system I use to generate thousands of inbound leads every single month without cold calling, fancy sales skills, or spending a single dollar on ads. And I'm gonna walk you through exactly how it works so you can just copy it step by step, even if you're starting from zero. Quick context so you know this actually works. I built 3 different 7-figure agencies over the last decade, worked with companies like Google and Amazon and Meta, and today I help over 1,500 agency owners and consultants build this same system for themselves. But before we talk about how to get clients, we first need to be clear on what you're actually selling, because without that clarity, none of this works. Now, if you already have an offer that you're selling, great. But if you're brand new, the simplest model to start with is what I call a simple AI agency, where you help local businesses install simple AI-powered systems that help them capture and follow up with leads and customers automatically. I'm talking about plumbers, chiropractors, dentists, hair salons, restaurants, any small business that depends on phone calls and new customers. You install simple systems like an AI receptionist that answers calls 24/7, automated follow-up so customers don't get ignored, review requests that help them get more 5-star reviews on Google, and the key here is that these aren't custom-coded builds. Most of the services that you're gonna offer are copy and paste automations inside software like High Level. You set it up once, the software runs it automatically, and the business owner pays you $300 to $500 a month because it helps them make more money. To show you what this looks like though, let me call one of my AI receptionists now. This one's for an auto repair shop, just to show you what it looks like from the business owner's side. First, I gotta find my phone.
Hello, you have reached Precision Auto Repair. How can I help you today?
Yeah, my car is making some funny noises, and I was just wondering when the earliest appointment was that I could bring it in and have somebody take a look at it.
Got it. Let me check the earliest available appointment slots for you. One moment. So here are the earliest available slots. Today, March 2nd at 1:30 p.m., 3 p.m., or 4:30 p.m. Tomorrow, March 3rd at 11 a.m., 1 p.m., or 3 p.m. Wednesday, March 4th at 11 a.m., 1 p.m., or 3 p.m. Would any of these work for you?
Yeah, let's just take the earliest one today, please, and I'll bring it in.
All right, I'll book you for today, March 2nd at 1:30 p.m. Let me confirm your email to send the appointment details.
So that's how it sounds, and that's the business model. It's simple, it's recurring, and it doesn't require employees, so you can do this as a solo operator or a one-person business. Now let's talk about why chasing clients just feels so exhausting. Fun fact, the average cold email converts at around 0.7%, which means that you'd need to send roughly 140 messages to land one client. To make things worse, only about 25 to 30% of cold emails even get opened, which means most of what you're sending isn't even being seen. So you could spend 3 hours writing personalized messages tonight and statistically still get nothing, which isn't fun. But honestly, the bigger problem isn't the math, it's the positioning. Because when you're the one chasing and following up and trying to convince someone to respond, you automatically look like the one who needs them more than they need you. It's a power dynamic, and that energy follows you into every pricing conversation, which makes it harder to confidently charge $300 to $500 a month. So instead of trying to brute force your way through outreach forever, we build something alongside it that slowly replaces it. I want you to think of this in 2 phases. Phase 1 is survival. That's where you get cash flow, proof, and momentum. This part is important, and if you're trying to go from 0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, you have to start here. Phase 2, though, is leverage. That's where you build a system that works to bring in new leads and new clients, even when you're not actively chasing. But let's start with phase 1. When it comes to getting your first couple clients, the key here is to start with your warm network, not strangers. This is where pretty much every beginner makes the same mistake of skipping over the people who already know them and just jumping straight into cold outreach. Now, when I say warm network, I'm talking about your past coworkers, friends, your family, connections, old clients, people that you already interact with, online, offline, also any business that you visit on a semi-regular basis, including your barber or favorite restaurant, the place that changes your oil, all that stuff. These people already trust you, which means you're not starting from zero. So go through your phone and your email and make a list of all your contacts, as well as look at all the places and all the businesses that you've used and visited over the past few months and make a note of them as well. Now, Here's where things get good. And this is going to come as really good news if you happen to be scared of sales or nervous to reach out to them, because instead of pitching them, you're simply going to ask for referrals. You can send them a text or email them or DM them or call them or talk to them in person, but you want to keep it simple. So you say something like this. Hey, name. I recently got access to a system that's helping local businesses capture 20 to 30% more customers without spending more on ads. I'm walking a few business owners through it for free while I refine it. Know anyone who'd benefit? Now this works because there's no pressure, there's no long pitch. You're not selling anything, you're just asking for introductions. And this alone can get you your first 1 to 3 clients, which gives you cash flow and confidence, and it does it quickly. Now, as for the system that you can use to do this, don't worry, you don't need to build anything from scratch. You're simply installing pre-built AI systems inside software like High Level that automatically answers calls and follows up with leads and books appointments. You just set it up once and then the system does most of the work for them. Then, once you have those first clients, the next step is to build proof while you deliver results. Most beginners try to attract strangers before they have any evidence that they can actually help someone. Instead, your goal now is to focus on getting real outcomes, real results for those first few clients, and then simply asking them for permission to turn that into a case study. You can say this exactly. I'm really glad we got you these results. Would you mind if I documented this to help other businesses in the same situation? Now you have testimonials, you have before and after results, you have real proof, which makes everything else easier because strangers trust results far more than promises. Okay, now we move on to phase 2. Now here's where most new agency owners go completely wrong. They either don't have a website at all, or they throw together some generic page that says, I do digital marketing with a contact form, and then they wonder why nobody reaches out. Your agency page doesn't need to be fancy, but it does need to do the selling for you when you're not in the room. A business owner should be able to land on your page and within about 20 seconds understand what you do, how it works, and why they should trust you. But let me show you what this looks like. This page right here is answering 5 questions that every business owner has when they're looking at agencies or coaches or consultants or freelancers' website. First, what do you actually do? Well, that's your headline. Clear, simple, no marketing jargon. Something a business owner reads and immediately thinks, okay, that's what I need. Second, how does it work? Well, there's a simple 3-step breakdown so it doesn't feel complicated or risky. Third, what do I actually get? This is where you show your services, the AI receptionist, the website conversation AI chat widget, the review system, laid out clearly so they can see exactly what they're paying for. Fourth, why should I trust you? This is where those case studies and testimonials from your first clients go. Remember the proof that we talked about building earlier? Well, this is where it lives. And fifth, what do I do next? There's a clear button, book a call, request more info, something obvious so they don't have to think about it. If your page answers these 5 questions, you've got something that works for you around the clock. A business owner can land on it at 11 p.m. and in under a minute, understand exactly what you do and book a call with you without you being involved at all. Now, if you're thinking, I have no idea how to build that site, well, don't worry, you don't need to build this from scratch. This exact page is already designed and ready to go inside of Agency OS. You just have to customize it with your name and services, maybe add a couple new testimonials, and it's live. But I'll show you how to get it in just a second. Because for now, the next step after this is making sure that your systems match your positioning, because this is something that pretty much every beginner overlooks. If you position yourself as professional and organized, but then someone books a call and they get a messy confirmation email or no reminder at all, that mismatch kills trust before the conversation even starts. For example, inside of my Agency OS, when someone books a call, my no-show prevention automation automatically kicks in, and they get a confirmation email, they get reminder emails, they get reminder SMS, even get a short pre-call questionnaire. And of course, because nobody expects you to remember to do all of that manually, all of that needs to happen automatically, which means from the client's perspective, you look established and competent even if you're just getting started. Okay, once all that's done, the final step then is making the transition from doing only cold outreach and outbound marketing to inbound client getting systems, but making it gradually. And this is where people either keep chasing forever because they're afraid to stop, or they stop everything overnight and then they panic when revenue drops. So obviously neither is good. The smart approach is to overlap them. For the first few months, you're doing warm outreach while creating helpful content and building a simple page where people can learn about your offer. Over time, you'll start seeing early inbound leads. And eventually, if you stay consistent, inbound and referrals begin covering all of your revenue targets. But here's the deal. This is important. You don't stop doing cold outreach based on emotion. You stop when the data shows that inbound is paying your bills and your pipeline of inbound leads and clients looks more like this. Now, before you go out and build this, 3 quick warnings. First, you still have to deliver real results because this system amplifies whatever you are. If you're great, word spreads fast. If you're mediocre, that spreads too. This is why it's important to choose a business model like the Simple AI agency, especially if you're just getting started. Second, this is not a one-week fix. If you need a client in the next 48 hours, then focus on your warm network. We covered this earlier in the video, and start reaching out to them right now. This new inbound system you're building is powerful, but it's going to take a few weeks, possibly a few months, not days. And third, most people won't do this. They'll feel motivated for 48 hours, then go back to cold emails because it feels productive. But the people who actually build this are going to end up with a massive competitive advantage because fewer competitors are willing to build long-term systems. So here's the real question. 6 months from now, do you still want to be sending cold emails every day? Or do you want to be answering inbound requests from people who already trust you? Those are two completely different businesses, and I promise you, one is a whole lot more fun than the other. So if you're ready to build the system, everything I just walked you through, the agency website, the follow-up emails, the booking automations, all of it is already built inside High Level. You can start with an extended free trial using the link in the description, copy my entire agency system called Agency OS directly into your account, customize it with your name and your logo, and have your lead capture page live this week. If you're not ready, no pressure, but the link's there when you are. Now, this video just showed you a simple way to get clients without cold outreach, but if you want the full picture, how to pick your niche, how to package your offer, how to get even more clients and close them from scratch, I put together a complete walkthrough of the entire Simple AI agency model in the video I've got linked up right here. So tap or click that now to watch this one next, and I'll show you exactly how all the pieces fit together.